Hello girlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. If you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit more chilled, kind of a little bit more of a laid back vibe today. A lot has been going on. We all know a lot has been happening. Yeah, my energy isn't really like up there like that, but I'm still going to do my best to make the most upbeat video that I can, because a lot of you guys watch my videos for positive energy and good vibes. So you can see right now the twist out is pending. I've just got some twists in today, hoodie and just at home chilling. So there have been a lot of protests going on in London, and for the first time in my life I actually wanted to go and protest, but I didn't because I have an elderly parent who has had some health issues, and due to the whole health situation that's going on, I decided that it would be best for me not to go and do a lot of mingling and then come back home. I decided that I didn't want to endanger her in that way. So I got to thinking, like, okay, what can I do? Let's not focus on what we can't do. Let's focus on what we can do. So one of the things that I've been thinking about a lot as a black content creator is the fact that, number one, we have a lot of influence, and number two, one of the most powerful resources that we have as a people is economic power. I have seen a lot of my fellow black content creators contributing towards social justice campaigns, supporting all kinds of different causes, sharing petitions, all of the above. This is a time when a lot of influencers, especially black influencers, have been using their platforms for good. So of course, one great way that you can get involved, even if you're not able to go out and protest, is to just support your black content creators from home. Because of course it has always been imperative, but in particular right now, amplifying melanated voices is very, very important. I am very aware that as YouTubers who work from the back end, we know very well how YouTube works, but I'm also conscious that there are a lot of people that don't know how YouTube works or the algorithm, and so are not completely clued up in ways that they can support their black content creators. Well, here I am with 6 particular ways that you can help your favorite black content creators from home. Also, an upcoming video is going to be all about black owned businesses and some discounts for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for the next one because I feel like you're gonna like that. So yeah. Side note, if you want to know when that video comes out, then please hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell for the notifications, hit all notifications, and that way you'll get all of the notifications for upcoming videos. So without further ado, this is going to be 6 easy ways that you can help to support your black and natural hair content creators on YouTube. Let's go. Number 1, I know this is going to be stating the obvious, but watch their videos. I know it seems really basic, but the more of us that watch our favorite content creators' videos, the more the YouTube algorithm pushes their videos to be viewed by more people. So just by watching, you can and have made a difference. Now also, I've noticed more recently there is a new YouTube feature which you may or may not have seen, and it's called YouTube Mix. I'm gonna insert a picture over here so you can kind of see what it looks like, but it will have the name of your content creator and then mix, and if you click on it, it will just literally give you a playlist of pretty much the best videos from that favorite content creator. So if you're not even sure what it is that you want to watch from them, just click on the mix and you'll see a whole mix of videos. Watch as much as you can to your heart's content. You're welcome. Number 2, do not skip the adverts. I know. Adverts are not always the fun part of YouTube. I know that it's very tempting that when an advert comes up on a video, you just literally can't be bothered and you hit skip ad. Please don't skip the ad. YouTubers get paid because of the ad revenue on their channels. When you skip the ad, they don't get ad revenue. I'm gonna say that again. When you skip the ad, that content creator doesn't get ad revenue. That means they don't get paid for the amount of time they spent on their video. Part of the reason why ads are placed on videos for monetization is so that the content creator can earn some money back for the time and effort that they've put into making videos. So if you want to support your favorite content creator, watch the videos all the way through. Please do not skip the ads. Thank you. Even if it's a long video and you don't want to watch all of the adverts, even if you can just watch one ad all the way through, that would help. Number 3. Watch videos right to the end. I know it can happen that you kind of get halfway through a video, you're like, I don't really feel like watching this now. I'll watch this a bit later. Stop. One of the biggest things that determines revenue for that content creator on YouTube is watch time. The longer that you watch for, the more the YouTube algorithm promotes that video throughout YouTube and it appears on more home pages, and that content creator gets more of their videos viewed by more people because you watch for longer. Imagine. Something that I've personally started doing is when I'm watching a content creator and I really want to support their channel, even if I have to leave the room and come back in 2-3 minutes, maybe I actually want to watch the rest of the video later on, I will literally just leave the video running. It will just run, the ads will run, everything will run, just because I know that I want to contribute to that positive watch time for that particular content creator. I know it sounds a bit crazy, but that's how YouTube works. I'm just giving you a heads up, sis. Number 4. Comment on the video. Yes, your comments make a big difference. Actually, comments tend to make more of a difference than likes. You can hit the like button and that's a good thing. There's nothing wrong with hitting the like button, but that gives more feedback to the content creator about whether people like the video or not. If you really want to make a big difference though where the YouTube algorithm is concerned, hit the comment section with a comment. Comment something, comment anything, comment something that you enjoyed about the video. Even if there's something about the video that you didn't like as constructive criticism, write it below the video. The fact that you've engaged with the video in terms of comments means, once more, the YouTube algorithm pushes that video out to more people. Obviously, it's something that has triggered a lot of comments, which means the algorithm recognizes that this is a video that people really want to watch and engage with, so your comment makes a massive difference. Number 5, use your favorite black content creators' affiliate links. Your favorite content creators have affiliate links in the description box below the video. They also have merch that they're selling. Anything that you can engage with or buy that helps to support your content creators. So a lot of your favorite content creators are affiliates of particular companies and brands, especially some black owned businesses. So if you support your favorite content creator by using their link, you get a discount. That black owned business also gets some revenue, which is so important at this time, and also your favorite content creator gets a bit of commission based upon your sale. So it's literally a win-win-win for everybody. So for example, for me personally, if you look in the description box below my video, most of the links that I post there are actually for black owned businesses. I have Swirly Curly, they do bonnets, they do snappy hair ties. I also have links to Shea Butter Cottage, an amazing UK based company that ships worldwide. They support a women's co-op in Ghana. Anything that's natural that you need for your hair or your body, you can find on Shea Butter Cottage. I have a link to them below. TreasureTress is a natural hair product box in which you get 4 or 5 full-size products every month straight to your door, only for £20. I also have another link to a company called Wigit, which provides a lot of crochet styles and wigs if that's something that you're interested in as well. So if you want to support your favorite black content creators, then definitely check out their description boxes, not just mine, all of ours. Anything that you can engage with or buy that helps to support your content creators. For example, the merch is something that helps to support your content creator financially. A sweater, a t-shirt, something along those lines that really represents their brand. And number 6, following on from number 5, use your favorite black content creators' Amazon page. Now, this is not going to apply to every single content creator, but a lot of content creators, including myself, have an Amazon page. So for example, with me, on my Amazon page, I have a lot of hair care products. Pretty much anything and everything that I have mentioned in my videos, if it is available on Amazon, I put it in my Amazon page on the Amazon website. I know some people prefer not to buy from Amazon just for ethical reasons. By all means, do what you feel is the best thing for you. However, if you are a person that shops regularly on Amazon, then this is particularly directed at you. Your favorite content creator can get some commission off anything that you buy on Amazon, not just the stuff that's on their page. Let's say, for example, you want to spend $100 or £100 on Amazon. Now, of course, you will spend that £100, $100, spend your money, it gets delivered to your house, you enjoy your goods, all well and good. However, if you go to your favorite black content creators page and click on the link in the description box, even if you don't buy something that's specifically from their page, they still get some commission from a purchase that you made on the site. But if you have a favorite content creator and you really want to support them and you are gonna buy something from Amazon anyway, best thing for you to do, go to their page, click on their Amazon link, go do your shopping as normal, and that's a great way to support your content creator by giving them just a bit of commission based upon what it is that you buy on the site. Comment below your favorite black YouTubers, your favorite natural hair content creators on YouTube. I would like you to tag them below so that we can all go follow each other and discover new people on YouTube that we never knew before. I am always discovering new people on YouTube to follow, and especially those who are very much active and speaking out at this time that need your support. Tag them below in the video and let's all support each other. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then comment below, of course. You can also hit the red subscribe button below if you have not subscribed to this channel yet. Also hit the bell for notifications, hit all notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video to this channel. And I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon. Take care.